name is Mr. Mohan. I'm a graduate from the 2015 batch of Civil Engineering Department from NITK. I'm currently working as a project engineer in Synergy Property Development in Bangalore.
Can you tell us something about Synergy? What all Synergy does, what it is into, where it is based, and so on?
So Synergy is a Bangalore-based project management consultancy firm. So it's short for PMC. So what they do is so initially back in the day there used to be 3 people involved in construction of anything, be it residential project or a commercial project. So that those 3 people are your client, your developer, and your contractor. So client is who you're building the building for. Your developer is people who you're building the place, people who own the place where you're building the building, and contractors are the people who build the building. So the problem that used to arise back in the days is that it used to be no one who coordinates between the client and the contractor. There used to be no one who, the contractor, if it's a tech company, say Flipkart or Oracle or something, they don't have a civil engineering department who can check if the project is going according to progress, according to quality, if the safety requirements are being met or not. So that's a PMC's come in. So that is what Synergy does basically. So we handle everything from the start to the finish. We take the project from this pre-construction phase. We provide some innovative additions into the plan to make it cheaper, to make it more cost effective, to make it safer, and to make it faster. So that's happened in the pre-construction phase. Then during construction, we do regular checks on when it comes to quality, safety, or progress, which is our main 3 pillars that we always monitor. And we give regular updates to our clients. And yes, so we keep regularly following up. And also another main part of our job is to regulate or manage between different vendors, different subcontractors, be it your concreting contractors, be it plumbing contractors, electrical contractors, civil work contractors. We are the central hub that connects all these people and make this building, being built. We all make sure that all these guys work together. They do their thing as per their plan, as per requirements, and so on. So that's what. So basically, the main 3 things that Synergy looks after in every project is quality, progress, and safety.
Any particular kind of projects that Synergy undertakes?
So Synergy, like I said, it's a Bangalore-based company, but that doesn't mean it's restricted to Bangalore. You will see a lot of Synergy projects in Bangalore, but they're also expanding a lot in Pune, Delhi. Some of the examples you have is TCS Kochi, Smart City Kochi. They've also done a lot of projects in abroad also. This really expanding abroad as Malaysia, Rwanda, and that's in Africa. Then even in UAE also they're having projects. So they're expanding on a really fast pace for PMC. And yeah, and if anyone who stays in Bangalore, if you have heard of Embassy, you must have heard of Embassy, be it Embassy Tech Village or Embassy Golf Links or Embassy Lake Terrace. So if you have seen an Embassy property, there's a high chance that most of the buildings, if not all, inside that is constructed, or at least it's done under the supervision of Synergy.
So is it just about residential buildings and commercial office spaces? Is it about something more than that?
No, Synergy for now handles your commercial buildings, that's your workspaces, and your residential apartments, which is your living spaces for now.
How is this company better than its competitors?
First of all, it's like what I said before. It starts from the pre-construction phase. It takes the project from the client. It asks what exactly do you want. Procures all of the plans from the design coordinators and adds its own innovative touch to it. Since, like I said, we don't have any other kind of resources. Our resources are just engineers, an office filled with engineers. So they all put their technical experience, the technical skills, and find out places where you can, okay, fine, this can be improved in this way, this can be improved in that way. So that is in the starting stage, which is a major part of the construction phase, which is pre-construction phase. So Synergy plays a very important part. And then while during construction, Synergy employs its project engineers on site to check the quality and progress, to see if everything is going according to plan on a regular basis. So if anything is to be poured, for example, a column or a slab or a wall is to be poured, first the contractor, the engineer from the contractor side would call the Synergy engineer. The Synergy engineer would check the steel, the reinforcement, see if it is fine, and then give the approval. After that, the pour is commenced. So after that, sorry, the shuttering is done, then the shuttering is checked, then the pour is commenced. So in these stages, in this stage, for example, if it's a column, we check steel, shuttering, and concrete. So we have a micro level check for everything that's happening in the building. For a big 10-story building, every small aspect of the building is being checked by an engineer from Synergy side, which other PMCs might not do.
Why don't you tell us about the technologies that Synergy is currently working on?
So Synergy doesn't just deal with your typical cast in situ building. They do deal with it, but it's not just restricted to that. Any different innovative new methods that has come up in the market, Synergy takes that up also. So we have a team of engineers that regularly are ready to learn and adapt to the new and growing environment of construction. So right now, the projects that I've in my 6 months working in Synergy, from what I've seen or I've been exposed to, is Cast Institute, which is the project that I'm working with right now. And then I've also seen a precast project, which is one of the first of its kind in Bangalore. And also steel structures also. Synergy is also working in steel structures, which is going to be implemented in Flipkart's latest project, which is the headquarters is going to be based in the Embassy Tech Village. So that's a very big project which will house around, I think, 15,000 people. So it's just not just your typical, your old school type of construction. We also adapt to different kinds of construction as and when required.
Outside of your routine work, tell me something about, life outside of work at the company.
The work environment is really relaxed, and also we have events like annual days, which houses a lot of cultural programs. There's also a fashion show, which happens once a year, and so you have unlimited food, fun, and you get to meet people from different projects, not just people who you meet on a regular basis. The entire Synergy staff comes to one place in a hotel, and then we all talk, be it professional or be it personal or be it anything, just to catch up, make new friends. So that's also there. And also occasionally we have also cricket and football matches, which are really fun. And so we have different teams, say a particular business park, say Embassy Tech Village has its own Synergy team versus the Embassy Lake Terrace Synergy team. So they come together, play, have fun, and so it's we have games and we have this annual day. And that's
so. Tell me something about the work culture and the work environment in general.
So work environment is very relaxed, and it's very at the same time it's not too chilled out, but they're if you get what you do, if you get the job done, they don't care how you do it. It's for them, it's not the journey, it's the destination. If you either you can be on site 24 hours, or you can be in the office and coordinate with the people on site. Whoever, you can follow your own method. Obviously, it's based on your project manager. It depends on how he wants to do the work. But from what I've seen is that they don't have a strict methodology like this. If you have to do this and you have to clock in this many hours, you can stay in the office. You can as long as you get the work done at the end of the day. And also, there's no from what I've noticed, there's no hierarchy in the office. It's not like, okay, he is a project director, so I can't talk to him. If I have a doubt and if I really feel that I have to ask this, or if I have a personal improvement that okay, I can do this, maybe I can improve the project in this way, and if I want to talk to the project director, I can just directly go to him. I'll ask him, sir, are you free? And I can just go into the office and talk to him. So it's a very open environment, and when it comes to working conditions, it's 8 hours of work is officially on paper, but it'll vary based on your work conditions. And obviously, when project handing over time, it's going to be a lot more, because there will be a lot of points that we have to rectify, a lot of things we have to meet before the deadline. So it'll vary. If it's a busy day, the working hours might increase. If it's a normal day, it'll be your typical working hours. So it varies based on that.